way. The Fire Brigade, in all its generosity, offers a program called Sabre. It's a smoke alarm battery replacement for the elderly. It's an important service for people that have difficulty accessing their smoke alarms.
Smoke does rise and it starts off at the ceiling. Obviously it accumulates at the ceiling. When it starts to saturate the air, it then works its way down to the floor. So a smoke detector is, or should be, situated and located at the ceiling so that you're getting the earliest warning possible.
They're a very important factor for fire protection. For early warning is the most important thing for yourself as a resident to get out of the house. Should change your battery when you change your clocks for daylight saving. Duracell provides the Community Engagement Division of the Fire Brigade with those batteries for that specific purpose and for that specific campaign. We have to be ready to go quickly because a dangerous situation can very quickly escalate into potentially deadly situation.
Fire Brigade.
And to have early warning of that is of the utmost importance.
All good.